Okay. Bye-bye.
Are you okay? You all right?
Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm all right.
Good. That's for going back on your promise.
Yeah. That's for kidnapping me and taking me to your village, which I'm still gonna destroy, by the way. No touching.
Why did I risk my life for a selfish brat like you? I was always taught that there was some good in everyone, but you proved me wrong.
Oh, boo-hoo. Now I feel really bad. Bad llama.
I could have let you die up there in that jungle, and then all my problems would be over.
Well, that makes you ugly and stupid.
Let's end this.
Ladies first.